all the seagulls. There's the bread down there. And we're going to see if they're going to try and get food.
Right, I'm going to aim at the bread.
There's the bread, as y'all can see.
It might kind of look disgusting.
Yeah, because it's been raining.
Yeah, it's raining right now. There's so many seagulls. How about we'll video the seagulls instead?
Yeah. Guys, there's so many. There's like 100.
How about like I open the window?
I don't think you're allowed to. Your mom said you're not allowed.
Well, just in case any spiders come in.
But what if a seagull comes in your house?
I'll just love them.
Why don't you pull the window, Ed?
No.
We kind of have to.
No. Why?
If you hear someone's footsteps, close it.
Oh,
What if a seagull comes in?
Why? Then what happens? Oh, God. Close the stupid window.
Just close the stupid window! Leave it open!
Alright, we'll keep it like that.
No, leave it open.
No, Ruby, keep it like that. Just in case I want to. There's so many seagulls.
Can you please open the window?
Why?
Now that means the seagull can come in.
Whatever.
Pull it a bit.
No,
Pull it a bit.
it's fine. The seagulls are big enough. Just leave it where it is.
That blue.
Where?
Your windowsill.
Huh? What is this?
I got you for it. Throw it. Wait, do you have any like little pieces of muck?
Oh, God, there's so many seagulls. Oh, no. Any more pieces of muck? Well, I have a dead moth. Ew.
Whoa.
Me. I'm going to try and throw an object at the seagull. There's only one there.
Yeah, but they might come in.
Oh, I don't care.
Your mom said to shut the window.
It's fine. It's just, she didn't say because of the seagulls. She said because of the spider. So yeah, there's the bait. There's the seagulls. Maybe I get a closer look.
Don't drop your iPad.
Okay, I'll try.
If you do,
They're flying away. No, she won't. She's just gonna grab
how about
me.
you put your iPad on the window? Lean it on the window.
She'll just ground me.
There's still 2 more. 3. Sammy said.
You named one.
Sebastian.
You named one Sammy.
Said in Sebastian. Okay, that's Sammy. That's Fish. And that's Chips. And that's Randy.
Let's see if there's any more seagulls like flying on. I got my camera to face the seagulls. Imagine if one just flies in my bedroom. That will be totally righteous. Hi. Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Ed and welcome to Seagull Watching. Welcome to Seagull Spying. Today we're spying on some seagulls.
Should we close it?
No,
It's getting cold, bro.
it's fine, bro.
If we get torn off by your parents, it's your fault. I want to spit on the floor.
Why?
Should I do it?
Yeah. Just try not to spit on my dad's car.
Spit on the floor.
Good. Seagull spying. Like we're spying on seagulls. This is going to be totally righteous.
And it actually goes your window.
No. I want to hear them. Hear them squeak.
If my parents come, I'm just gonna like sit down because they'd kill me if I did something like this.
Why?
They'd just kill me if they saw me.
Why?
Because they'd be scared I'd fall out the window. So if I see my parents, I'm just gonna act like I wasn't sitting here. There.
What? Shoot. Right.
Stop recording. Stop recording.
Hi guys.
Today we are seagull watching.
Yeah, we're spying on.
There is bread down there. We're watching the seagulls. I think my dad doesn't run. But...
Yeah. I'm looking at the seagulls. She doesn't understand.
I should come a bit in the way. And we're just guys. Are you filming?
Yeah. Hi guys.
Today we are seagull watching.
Yeah, we're gonna be spying on some seagulls.
We're not opening the window because we're not allowed to.
Yeah.
But at least you guys can still get a good view.
Yeah, I'm gonna sit down.
I'm gonna sit up here.
Just make sure my parents don't see. Just be careful that. Just make sure my parents don't see. Okay?
See me?
Yes, you.
Why?
Like bro.
I sit on my own window ledge like constantly.
Like constantly.
Yes. That's why I saw lights flickering outside. Did you?
What? Look, what do you mean?
Did you see like a flash outside?
No.
I saw like thunder.
Well, I didn't.
I did.
You saw thunder.
Yeah, I swear.
You have to. You hear thunder, not say like thunder. You mean lightning.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not the same thing. Right. I'm gonna look at the seagulls with my camera, my iPad. It's like the iPad is like watching the seagulls.
You know? And I want to sit there.
Well, it's fine. You can see all the seagulls. I can barely see them. My camera is good help. It's like watching the seagulls, and I don't have to go on the window. Ah! Oh, this is kind of relaxing, though. Is that the moon? The moon!
No.
Nah. There's like 4 seagulls right now. 4 seagulls. Just tell, I'll tell you when there's another one coming. Well, so far there's 4.
Okay, guys, so you know the one to the left? That one
no,
is
now there's-
Randy,
now
and
there's
the
only-
other one is Uwu.
Now there's only 2.
Wait, Uwu just took a poo. I saw poo come out of Uwu's butt.
Oh,
You know the one closest to that side?
oh,
Did you not see?
Oh,
Poo came out of Uwu's butt.
I know.
If y'all didn't see, I saw something drop.
There's only 1 seagull left.
Oh, okay.
There's only
Sammy
one
is still there.
Yeah.
Don't have to.
Little Sammy.
Don't have to ever sleep again. I'm gonna stay up all night and play some Fortnite.
Bro, I'm gonna eat lasagna and maybe.
Two
Bro, I'm gonna eat lasagna and maybe a banana stick and
Trash!
There's still only 1 seagull left.
We kind of like. Yeah, how about we both just sit down and then we can see the seagulls, like without the chair?
Ow.
So then we both can see seagulls.
And how about I like move along?
Move along that
No,
way.
Ruby.
Yes.
Ow.
Can we take it in turn sitting on the chair?
Yeah. Right now it's my turn, but there's still
Wait, I'll watch out the window.
there's only 1 seagull left.
So Ed, when it's my turn, you have to sit and watch out the window.
There's only 1 seagull left.
Guys, if you get bored of this video, it's fine. You can just skip. Guys, if you're getting bored of of waiting, you can skip the video and see if a seagull comes down, so you don't have to wait all this time. Because personally, I'd be skipping most of the video so I could come to the good part. Do you guys hate when there's like an advert on the best part of something and like something like so that you're watching something on TV and like someone's like doing a mystery box unboxing and they just about open the box, right, and then there's an ad. Like, why?
Like, I have no ads. I have YouTube Premium
On your telly?
on my iPad. Every one of them.
What about not? Can I have a go now on the chair?
In 10 minutes.
No. Ed, please.
Fine, let me just stop for a minute.
Randy.
Like, it's your turn to watch on the iPad.
And it's my turn to go in the window, which is a better view.
Yeah, the window is actually better.
Yeah.
I mean, the iPad is the exact same view as well.
It's just you guys have a better seat.
It's raining right now. And I don't see any more seagulls. I only see 1 seagull.
So, what should we do today?
You can sit on my.
Hop in a trash
on the
can,
chair,
maybe?
on the
That
toilet.
might be
And
nice.
I'm going to the toilet so you can use the chair on.
Yay!
Does that bathroom door lock?
No, it doesn't. Well, it does. Well, it does. I can just sit in.
Oh, I love being in the trash. It's warm, cozy, kind of stinky, and safe. Wait, I have feelings. Being a spark and alive is really fun. I got a question. Why am I here at all? Blah, 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 blah. You're not making any sense. Carry me. So, what should we do today? Hop in a trash can, maybe? That might be nice. Hey, who are you? I mean, what are you?
That's just my toy fort.
Oh! You're just like me! Trash!
Ruby, there's another seagull.
I'm not a toy. I am a sport.
You guys don't know that I'm flipping around.
I'm, forky? I was made for soup, salad, maybe chili, and then the trash.
Yep, there's another seagull. There's another seagull. Did you guys see it? Oh, this is getting really good. I'm rainy. Stop raining already.
Being in the trash. It's warm, cozy, kind of stinky, and safe. Wait, I have feelings. Being a spark and alive is really fun. I got a question. Why am I here at all?
Because
Blah, 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 blah.
because
Carry me.
fork.
I'm forky? I'm not a toy. I am a spork. I was made for soup, salad, maybe chili, and then the trash. Hey, who are you? I mean, what are you? Oh, you're just like me! Trash!
Ruby, there was another seagull that flew by. Like it flew by. Like it flew past the camera. Like it flew past the camera.
Let me on the chair, bro.
So first you have to... Bro.
Oh, bro, I hardly had any. Get off my seat.
My seat.
Wait, is Sammy still there?
Yeah.
Wait, no, that's Timothy.
What?
That's Timothy.
Where's Timothy?
That's Timothy.
Timothy!
Sammy, Timothy.
So, what should we do today? Hop in a trash can, maybe?
Nah, we can watch some birds, Forky. What do you think,
I love
Forky?
being in the trash. It's warm, cozy, kind of stinky, and safe.
You have to speak to him. You have to speak to him.
Forky?
Wait, I have feelings.
Yeah, you do have feelings, you dumb
Being
bitch.
a spark and alive is really fun.
Oh my god. Can I keep calling you the big word if you're saying it's fun? Oh my god, Bill, isn't it?
There's another one.
No.
There is another one.
There's Randy.
That's Timothy.
No, that's Randy!
Randy!
He's the one who's literally sitting down.
Talk to him.
Hi, Forky. Forky, I hope you
You're not
die.
making any sense.
Oh,
Carry me.
nah, I'm good. Where'd you get this head?
Well, my mum bought it.
So, what should we do today? Hop in a trash can, maybe? That might be nice. Hey, who are you?
Wait, do you know what the 6 week holiday is soon? You're gonna have to go to Flamingo Land.
What?
It's nearly the 6 week holidays, that means you might be able to go to Flamingo Land again.
Me and you.
Yeah, because like it's summer holidays.
You mean 7 weeks?
It's the summer holidays, Melly.
I
Are
know.
you off next week?
Yep. I'm off. I break up on a Thursday.
Oh, you're just like me. Trash.
So Thursday's the last day.
Yeah.
I'm not a toy. I am a spork.
I am a sporty. Oh my god, guys.
I'm forky.
There's another one.
Oh god. Oh
That's
my god.
that's a puppet rod.
I know, 'cause Randy! Randy's blurred out. You can't say
Maybe
Randy
chili,
anymore.
and then the trash.
Bit blurred.
There. How about I like zoom in on him? Yeah.
Hi guys, I'm Paige. Hey, come here. Come here, my clever boy.
Baba boy.
Do you want to know something? Baby Hookie's thing's a bit long. Baby Hookie has a long gay.
Hey.
Watch this.
Oh, I love digging the trash.
Go.
It's warm,
Go.
cozy, kind of stinky and safe. Wait, I have feelings.
You still have to. Yeah, you still have to talk to him.
Maybe you got something in your nose. Making that pain.
Maybe you have to Ruby, you have to have a conversation with
Feel
Forky.
hole.
Ruby,
Why? You can.
you can.
No, I'm good.
You're good at Forky.
Fine.
You're just scared.
Scared.
Well, do it then. Talk to him.
If it's not scary, why don't you do it though?
Hello, Forky.
Being a
I know you're
sport
pressing
in
the
life
button,
is really fun.
Maybe?
I got a question. Why am I here at all?
I just
Blah, 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 blah.
Forky, can you stop
Marry
interrupt?
me.
Can you stop interrupt? Can you stop interrupt?
I'm, Forky.
Can you stop interrupting me?
I'm not a toy. I am a sport.
Shut up, stupid Forky. Don't put your middle finger up at me.
Is this a gaming chair?
Yeah, it's a gaming chair.
Why don't you ever use it as a gaming chair?
Sometimes I use it when you're not there. Never going out yard a long term.
Wait, I dare you to keep me down. I dare you to keep me at the back. Love it. Are you going to keep me down like this?
No. Yeah? Yeah? Oh.
My dad.
No! They took the bread! I'm gonna chase it.
No, I
Let me eat. Shut up. Shut up.
It's not got a piece yet.
You idiot! You idiot! It's just so good. All of you are being quiet anyway. What's wrong? Two of them.
Wait till the both took a piece of bread.
Look at them all!
I don't think they took any bread.
Shh! What is this?
I think we're attracting the seagulls, guys.
Yeah, we
It's a
are.
good thing.
We definitely are.
Once all the bread's gone, we'll just not come back.
Leave them.
Everyone shut up.
Stay.
Don't run after them. Don't run.
Get away!
lost. I missed you, buddy.
I missed you too.
All done. Now give me the rest.
That's all, buddy. You're getting fat.
Say that again and I will cut. Yes.
Looking strong, buddy.
Give me an arm wrestle.
Maybe tomorrow.
Come on, pussy. Open this window.
I promise you we'll have something nice tomorrow.
Talk to my seagull ass.
Timothy, stop sending your friends, especially you, Ew. No. Man, seagulls are cheeky.
That's what she said.
Shut up, Randy.
Have you watched The Office?
Leave me alone.